Look at this, guys. I'm in Ghana. Look at this. I'm at the waterfalls. Look at the mountain up there. Look. And look at the water coming down. Look at that. Let's get a little closer. Okay. Hold on, guys. We're going to the waterfall. Look at this beauty. It's a 45 minutes walk when you park. And here we are. Can't believe I did that 45 minutes walk. This is the mountain. There we go. There we go, guys. Look. Look at that beauty. Look at this beauty here in Ghana, guys. I am in Ghana and I'm at the waterfalls. Whee! Look at this, guys. Look. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look. That's the mountain. Look. Look at that. Oh my God, what a beauty. What a beauty. Look. All right, let me see if I can cross this little terrain. Hey. Woo, guys. Here I am. Okay. I'm walking across so I don't get washed away. Look. See? This little piece of wood that I am walking on. Hey. Here we go. Ah. Look, guys. Okay. All right, I'm about to get in the water.